What is going on, everyone? I hope you are all having a fantastic day. So we've taken a look at a number of different budgeting platforms here on the channel and even talked about a few different ways that you can go about creating a personalized budget that is effective for your lifestyle. But just like we've done with a lot of different banking platforms, I thought it was time that we take some of these budgeting platforms and put them head to head so that you can more closely compare their features and see which one might be the best option for you. So today we're going to take a close look at 3 of the most popular budgeting platforms, which are Mint, EveryDollar, and YNAB, or You Need a Budget. So let's brush up on what each of these platforms has to offer and talk about which one might be the better option for you, depending on your financial goals. So let's jump right into it. So we aren't going to go super in-depth into each of these individual platforms in today's video, just because I want to spend this time comparing them to each other. But I have done individual reviews on all 3 of these platforms, so if you do want a really in-depth look at any of them, then I'll be sure to leave links to all of those videos down in the description below. So the first thing I'm going to tell you right off the bat is that if you are looking for a budgeting platform that is completely free to use, then of these 3 platforms, Mint is going to be the best and really only option for you. You Need a Budget and EveryDollar do have free versions or free trials, but in order to access all of the features that we're going to be talking about in today's video, you are going to have to pay for that service. Now, I've talked about this many times before, but personally, I do not see anything wrong with paying a few dollars per month for a platform or service that is going to allow you to save money, but ultimately build wealth and create healthy financial habits. However, I understand that a lot of you don't see any point in spending money on something like this, and that is completely okay. So if that is you, then definitely stick around to hear about these other platforms, but Mint is going to be the only free option. Now, on that note, just so we are all on the same page here, at the time of recording this video, EveryDollar is $130 per year, which gives you access to all of the Ramsey Plus features, which is part of the Dave Ramsey platform, meaning that for this one annual fee, you're going to get full access to the full EveryDollar platform, but you're also going to get Financial Peace University as well as the Baby Steps tracking platform. YNAB is slightly less expensive at $84 per year, and I believe that they will currently allow you to try the full version of this platform for free for a month if you aren't quite ready to commit to it for a full year, and that is a great option that EveryDollar and YNAB are both offering currently. Alright, so now that we are all on the same page about the price of all of these platforms, let's finally talk about the features so that you can actually see which one might be the best option for you. So let's start off with Mint. This is by far the oldest budgeting platform of the 3, and if you don't know, it's owned by Intuit, who is also the creator of platforms like QuickBooks and TurboTax. So Mint is going to allow you to input all of your external accounts, whether that be bank accounts, investments, credit cards, loans, and really any other financial account, so that you can keep track of everything under one umbrella, which I've talked about many times before. From there, you're able to create a monthly budget, and Mint will automatically sort through all of your expenses and various accounts that you have connected to Mint into different categories and make sure that you are staying on track with your budget. For a free platform, Mint is awesome, and it is what I personally used for about 2 years when I was just getting started with budgeting. Now, one of the biggest drawbacks of Mint is that they do not currently have any bill payment options within the app, at least for the time being, but I will mention that right now, neither YNAB or EveryDollar allows you to do this either, so at least for these 3 platforms, that is definitely an area that all of them are lacking in that regard. Now, even though you are not able to pay your bills from within any of these apps, you are still able to manage your bills and keep track of any upcoming recurring expenses to, again, make sure that you are staying on track with your budget. Now, the EveryDollar platform is a little bit more methodical and heavily adheres to the financial principles of the person who created this platform, which again is Dave Ramsey.
Oh, y'all.
If you know anything about Dave Ramsey, then you know that he teaches what he calls his 7 baby steps and firmly believes that every single dollar needs to have a purpose, whether that be budgeting it into a certain spending category or saving or investing that dollar. Either way, for this platform, you need to know where every dollar is coming from and where it is going, and as a general tip for budgeting, that is fantastic advice if you ask me. So just like Mint and YNAB for that matter, you're able to input all of your external accounts and then create your monthly budget right from within the mobile platform. Now, EveryDollar does have a free option, but in order to get the full value out of the service, you are going to want to get the paid service. So again, if you're just looking to get started with budgeting on a free platform, then I would either try the free trial or just check out Mint, since that is a free option. So the whole guiding principle with the EveryDollar app is really all about making your personal finances as personal and simple as possible. Right when you sign up for the platform and open your account, you'll be asked to choose from one or more of 6 different money goals or financial goals, and this platform is then going to build your personal budget around those goals. Maybe this is saving for the down payment on a house, paying off debt, or increasing your charitable donations. Whatever that goal might be, you're able to tell the software exactly what that is, and they will cater your budget around that goal or multiple goals. Now, You Need a Budget is very similar in that you have to give EveryDollar a job or a purpose in order to create a balanced budget. But YNAB uses a very different approach that I personally love that focuses on not spending money that you haven't yet earned. For example, when you typically create a regular budget, you are taking whatever your standard monthly income is and then subtracting whatever your expenses are from that standard income or whatever you're used to. However, YNAB is unique in that it creates your budget based on last month's income, meaning if you have a very inconsistent income like myself, then this is a fantastic way to stay on track with your budget because it's going to take into account what money you've earned last month instead of what money you're expecting to earn this month. And this is great because your budget might change slightly depending on your income. Now, regardless, you should always strive to keep your expenses as consistent as possible, since just because you earn a lot more money in one particular month does not mean that you need to immediately go ahead and inflate your lifestyle. However, I love the idea of not spending money that you don't actually have yet because that is a great way to get away from living paycheck to paycheck, so I would definitely give YNAB a thumbs up there. So again, I know this was a macro view of these platforms, but when it comes down to it, if you're looking for a really quick way to have all of your financial accounts under one platform for free, then Mint is probably going to be the best option for you. On the other hand, if you're already a big fan of Dave Ramsey and his baby steps, and you also want to get access to Ramsey's approved list of financial advisors, then the EveryDollar platform is probably the best option for you. And remember, you're also going to get access to some other great tools that come with the Ramsey Plus feature for that one annual fee. And lastly, if you've been using a free platform like Mint, or maybe you've been creating your own budget manually in a spreadsheet, but you're looking to level things up, then the zero-based budgeting system that YNAB uses is a fantastic option in my opinion, and I think you're going to see a lot of benefit from giving every single dollar a job or purpose. Obviously, the right platform for you is going to depend on all of these different factors, but I will say, as someone who has used each of these platforms pretty in depth, I personally now use You Need a Budget. For me, my income is fairly inconsistent just because I'm wrapping up college and my streams of income are constantly fluctuating, but the whole guiding principle of YNAB is very useful for my situation, but I also believe that this platform is the perfect balance of complexity in the sense that you are getting hands-on with your money, which is really important, without being overly complex and becoming a really complicated platform like Personal Capital, for example. Regardless of which platform you decide to go with, budgeting is an essential step for building wealth and really just improving your financial situation as a whole. Some people are just naturally better with their personal finances and are able to keep track of things more easily, while others might need a more hands-on approach, and that is completely okay because we are all different. But thankfully, Mint is free, and EveryDollar as well as YNAB both offer free trials currently, so you're able to try out all 3 of these platforms for free, decide which one is best for you, and then commit to a platform and ultimately commit to a consistent monthly budget that you are going to stick to that will allow you to reach your financial goals. So let me know what you think of Mint, EveryDollar, and You Need a Budget down in the comment section below, and which of these platforms you are personally using to keep track of your monthly budget. As always, be sure to let me know what other budgeting platforms you'd like to see me review in future videos, and if you did enjoy today's video and you want to help support me, it would mean a lot if you would hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and share this video with someone who you think could enjoy this content as well. And as always, thank you so much for your time. I really do appreciate it. Take it easy, and I'll see you in the next one.